up, Josh? Uh, let's watch. What? Really? Holy sh! So, what's wrong with Pi? Pi ad blocker. I downloaded it and it actually works. It's not a scam. I got real money from it. Even if you get a lot of points, you get cards too. I'm using it as ad blocker. I'm shocked as to how well it's working. Huh. You're on the list? Yeah. I've not seen that E-Lock Origin. Bro, dude, it's fucking Pi ad blocker. Let's try this one. Wait, is it only for Chrome? Blocker Plus? Pi ad blocker for Firefox. Ad block happens. Manage extensions. Look up Pi. Dude, no way, it's actually only for Chrome? What? Really? Pi ad blocker. uBlock is the only ad block anyone should be using. Why? Ad block for YouTube. Wait, ad block plus? Don't I already have that one? Yeah, I do. It's so good that Google wants it to shut down. Yeah. Open source. There's ad block ultimate. All ads, no acceptable ads or whitelist advertisers allowed. Ultimate. Ad block for Firefox. Really downloading all these. Added. Cool. Try this. Refresh. Oh. It didn't work. Ad block for Firefox. This one. Refresh. Oh. No. I open a new Firefox and see what happens. Remove block for Firefox. Or I block for you. Huh. Alright, so then now let's go to Chrome. It's add it to Chrome, I guess. And watch Daily Dose this way. Alright, classic mode. Only ad blocker you ever need. I want to see what ad blocker skip now. Thanks. Thanks. Start browsing. Okay. Wow. Wow, it works. That's crazy. No ads. Fuck you, YouTube. Fuck you. Garbage ass piece of shit website. No. Works for me. Now I can make this look pretty. Is this this ooh. Perfect. Do. Yeah. Premium for YouTube, yeah. VPN for premium price for other countries, it's like 150 in pesos. Oh, really? uBlock is on a Firefox section store? uBlock should be. Yeah, because I'm on. I have it. I have it on. I have uBlock and AdBlock on Firefox. Hit some numbers. Blasphemy. Got a dragon rank? Nice. GZ. Hit some numbers.